Hello and welcome to the setup and customization video for SecureDrive KP. In this video, we'll be covering how to lock the drive. Let's get started. To lock the device, you can just unplug the USB cable. However, some computer systems may require you to click the Safely Remove Hardware or Eject icon within your operating system prior to unplugging the drive cable from your computer. If you're using this method, wait for the red LED to light momentarily, indicating it is locked and ready to disconnect from the computer. To lock the drive without disconnecting, press and hold the key button for 4 seconds until the red LED lights. Once the red LED lights, the drive is now locked. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.